Hi class, today I'm going to show you how to construct a perpendicular line. We're going to do two different ones here. So we're going to use again that converse of the perpendicular bisector theorem, but just a reminder, anytime we're doing constructions, it's important to leave all construction marks. And to be precise. Okay, so we're still going to use something very similar to when we created the perpendicular bisector, you guys. If a point is equidistant from two endpoints of a segment, then that point must be on the perpendicular bisector. Is on the perpendicular bisector. Okay, so we're going to kind of use that idea again. So I want this perpendicular line to go through C. So what I'm going to do is I'm essentially going to create a segment that is equidistant from C so that I know C is on the perpendicular bisector. So to do that, I'm going to put my pin on C, and I want my pencil to be just a little bit below the segment. So I'm going to just create an arc. I want my arc to cross AB twice. So now this point and this point are equidistant from C because I created it using my compass. So now I'm going to bisect this segment. So from here to here, we've done the bisecting a lot now. I'm going to open my compass a little over halfway. Sorry, I'm going to zoom in just a hair more, you guys. Okay, so I'm now going to I'm going to open my compass. So from that intersection to that intersection, I want my compass to be a little over half. Okay, and this again is where I create that big sweeping arc. I'm going to move the paper to make it a little easier for me to be precise. Big sweeping arc. Okay, keep your compass exactly the same, but now I'm going to put the pin on this intersection, and I'm going to create that same arc going the other way so that it crosses the one I just made twice. Oh, and sorry, my paper's hitting my camera here. There we go. Okay, so those two intersection points, here and here, now I can use my straight edge, and it should go through C as well. So I'm going to connect C through those two intersections I just made, and we just created a perpendicular bisector of this piece, but really what I wanted is I wanted it to be perpendicular to AB, and I wanted it to go through C. So we just for sure created a right angle by using that converse of the bisectors theorem, perpendicular bisector theorem. Okay, we're going to do something really similar. This time though, C is on the line, but we're going to start the same exact way. We're going to put our pin on C, and I'm going to create an arc, and it doesn't really matter where, but I got to do one to the left and one to the right. So it doesn't really matter how big you open your compass here. If you even want, you can extend AB so that we can kind of see where those crosses happen. Okay, so same idea. Now this intersection and this intersection are the same distance away from C. So now I'm going to open my compass a little over halfway of that intersection and make those two big sweeping arcs again. And I'm going to move the paper to make it a little easier for me. Okay, go the other direction. Keep the compass the same exact distance. Oh, and I didn't make my first arc big enough, so I'm going to go back and finish that other side so that it crosses. Okay, and then now use your straight edge to connect those two intersection points, and it should go right through C. And again, we created a line that is perpendicular to AB and goes through C. So notice every time I'm leaving those markings so that I can tell exactly what you guys did to create that construction. All right, that's it for this one.